We will discuss hydrocarbons, right? Hydrocarbons, as we already discussed, this is like hydrogen and carbon, right? These are of two types: saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon, right? Saturated hydrocarbon means single bond, and unsaturated hydrocarbon again double and triple bond, right? This is alkane, alkene, and alkyne. How we have to learn? Double the number, 2 more than the double, 2 less than the double, right? It's 2, double the number, 2 more than the double, 2 less than the double, right? By this we can make the arrangement, or if they will ask us to draw the pentane या pentene. Why it is started like the question is this, ki why it started from the eth? Myth is not comes in the alkene and alkyne series. Why so? The reason is this, that the double bond is formed between the two carbon atoms. That's why they start from the eth. But you asked C1 H2 into 1 plus 2 C1 H4, वो methyl. Removal of the one hydrogen from an alkane series is called the alkyl group. This is saturated, ठीक है? अगर if like this, if I am saying which series it belongs, how? Double the number, right? If it is like this, 2 more than double, that means it belongs to the alkane. And if it's like this, 2 less than. Is it clear? After that, when we have to make now cyclic hydrocarbon. Cyclic hydrocarbon means, cyclic means the closed shape, hydrocarbon means hydrogen and carbon. That means it is again two types: saturated, unsaturated, right? Then what we will make? If anyone will say to draw cyclopentane, cyclo means closed shape, pent means 5, ane means single, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Single bond हो गया. Now what we have to see? Complete hydrogen, right? Carbon 1, 2, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If anyone will ask you to write down the formula without doing this, तो आपने क्या करना है? But you had written C5H12 क्योंकि 2 more than the double is the alkane. But don't do like this. You have to complete the 4 houses of carbon. आजा. Cyclopentane, right? Cyclohexane. Wait. Again, I am making this pentane. Dot like structure, how we will make? One line represents. I am just doing like this. By this, we can make one line represents the two dots or the two cross, whatever. Now, if anyone will ask you to draw the cyclohexane, but I am going to try to tell you that we don't see the hexane, so we will not make the formula according to that, the double the number, two more than the double. Cyclo means closed, hex means 6, ठीक है, 6 कार्बन, 2 3 4 5 6, एन मीन सिंगल बॉन्ड था, सब में सिंगल लगा दिया. देन कार्बन के 4 हाउसेस, कार्बन 1 2 3 4, हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. तो फार्मूला इज C6, right? If anyone will ask you to draw benzene, this is unsaturated hydrocarbon, formula is C6H6, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, इन डबल बॉन्ड, राइट? या मैंने सिंगल बॉन्ड सब में लगा दिया, मैंने सिंगल बॉन्ड तो डेफिनेटली इट विल बी देयर. अब 6 हाइड्रोजन, 6 कार्बन है, 1 1 2 ईच, हो गया. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू सी, कार्बन के 4 हाउसेस, कार्बन 1 2 3, व्हाट आई विल डू? डबल बॉन्ड, this carbon complete, this carbon 1 2 3 4 complete, this carbon 1 2 3, can I put here? Because if I will put double bond here तो ये 5 हो जाएंगे, right? This is the benzene. Is it clear? What is isomer? What is isomers? Same molecular formula but different structural formula. Same structural formula. Now isomers of butane. Butane. But means 4. N means 2 more than the double, 4 का double 8, 8 में 2, right? Now arrange 1 2 3 4, done. What is the name of this? N-butane, that is the normal, right? Is it clear? What is the name of this? हाँ, वो तो the space, तो that's why I made it here. Di, how it's di? Single carbon, 2 methyl. Now here it is methyl because this carbon is having 3 hydrogen, that is CH3, that is methyl. 2 methyl 1 2 3 propane, right? Right? Isomers of hexane. Hex means 6. N means double, 2 more than the double, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 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 And naming. नहीं. हाँ. कितने कार्बन है? 2 लेस. C4 था ना पिछला, what we had made. वो डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं होगी ना, मतलब नेमिंग में a little bit, but otherwise near about the 4 isomers. हाँ ये ले 3, 4, 5. Now names. N-hexane, 2 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane. कहाँ से 3 methyl? Why we are saying the 3 methyl? That's why he made the different. If I had put it over, अच्छा same on the both side. So what is the name? 3 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane. 2, 2 dimethyl, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this name of this? 2, 3 dimethyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. क्या नहीं समझ आ रहा? If I will start counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, or either from here 1, 2, 3, 4, same is there, so I can start the counting from anywhere. 2, 3 dimethyl, 2 बार मिथाइल, पहले 2 पोजीशन पे, then 3, 2, 3 dimethyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. What is the other name of this? Name of this compound? What is the other name of this? Other name of this? Iso 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All carbon will count in that one. That is called isohexane. Iso means the jo other carbon that is present at the second position. Right? At that time we have to count all the. नहीं समझ आ रहा? Wait a while. Normal is okay. Its name is 2-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is pentane. Now, iso, when it is present either on the down or at the upper point, that the same name, that is the iso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isohexane. Is it clear? What is its name? 2 dimethyl butane, or other name is, both sides are there, then it is called the neohexane. Then iso on the second position. When on the second position on the both side, then it is called the neo. And all the carbons. Nahin, iso and neo. On the second position, when it is present here, either here or here, then it is called the iso. All the carbons you will count, that is isohexane. Both the sides, second position, then it is called the neo, and all the carbons will count, that is neohexane. Right?